Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Lavanya Box April 2019 edition. It's one of the most affordable boxes priced at just Rs 299 plus 50 for shipping, and they send some really good skincare, makeup and jewelry every month. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package has reached me. So this is how the normal brown cardboard box looks like with their name on it. And once we open, we have some note with a very pretty design and some more details. Here are the products, so let's go through them one by one. So let me start with the skincare. The first product is by the brand Humblebee, and this is their charcoal detan face wash with almond oil. I have already used this. It's in black color. It does lather pretty well. It's not my favorite face wash, but it's decent, I would say, and it's for 399 rupees. And here are all the ingredients mentioned. The ingredients look pretty good and it has a good fragrance, lathers decently, so definitely good to receive because face wash is something that everybody uses, so this is definitely a good product to add. Now continuing with the theme of charcoal for skincare, we have an activated charcoal product like this. So this is activated charcoal powder for face and teeth, so you can use it on your face to remove all the impurities from your pores, or you can use it for your teeth whitening as well. You can just wet your brush, dip it in this powder, take on some of the powder on the brush and then brush your teeth with that. It will help in teeth whitening. I have a full review of charcoal teeth whitening powder on my channel. If you haven't already, you can definitely check it out. I'll leave a link to it on the cards and even in the description box so that you know how to use it. It's a 15-gram size, and here it says mineral rich and natural deep cleansing, exfoliating and detoxifying. It can be used till Jan 21 and MRP is 190 rupees. Ingredients: it has 100% pure activated charcoal, so definitely looking forward to using this. This is how it looks. It's gonna be super efficient and very good. I mean, there are so many activated charcoal products, but they have activated charcoal as one of the ingredients, and this is one of the first products that I have received in a box that is 100% activated charcoal. So this is multi-purpose and it's very good, so definitely pretty happy with this. Now moving to the makeup, we have a choice of shade for this matte lipstick by the brand Teen, and this is in the shade T46 red. So it's a basic red crayon. It is retractable, which I do appreciate. And let's see a swatch. This is how the shade looks like. A very nice red with orange undertones, not the blue undertone one. It's super creamy. It glided on very smoothly and definitely very pigmented because this is just one swipe, and quality wise it seems decent. I'm not very sure how long this will stay. It is not completely matte. It is like a normal lipstick, like a creamy matte lipstick. Now moving to jewelry section, first we have this beautiful multicolor earring, and this is how it looks. You can use it with most of your ethnic outfits and even modern outfits. Quality wise it seems good. And we also have a surprise gift, which are these cute Mickey or Minnie Mouse earrings. They are just daily use kind of things that you can wear with anything at all. So they're simple and they're cute. I like them. And finally we have a lifestyle product, and this is by Home Center, and it's a fragrance sachet in the variant Blissful Blossoms. It's a jasmine fragrance, and I really like this. So here are more details on the product. This will probably last for 25 days as per the claims. You can use it anywhere inside your closets, in your rooms, in your drawers, office, cars, anywhere. And I love fragrances. I literally love fragrances, so I'm definitely very happy with this. This is the note they have sent, and I'm so in love with this golden design. I don't know how they have made it, whether it's handmade or it's some kind of stamp. It seems like some kind of clothing stamp or something, but it's really pretty. It says, "Hey beautiful, thanks for subscribing. I love Team Lavanya." And here are the pricing details of each product. The lipstick is for 215 rupees. Face wash we read as 399. A hard charcoal powder is for 190 rupees. Fragrance sachet is for 69. Tops are for 135. And there is a surprise gift, which was the small stud. And you get all of these products in just 299. So for a price tag of 299, definitely happy. My favorite products out of these is this charcoal powder and this fragrance. I'm definitely gonna use them. I would love them. I'm pretty sure of that. And the face wash and lipstick are really good. Since I have a lot of these things, I really don't use them all. But for anyone who is buying, these will also be very good products because there is a shade choice for the lipstick. You can choose something that you don't have, and a face wash is something that everybody uses. So definitely a good curation and value for money. If you liked it, definitely go for it. All the details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.